So in my new house, the builder gave me G dishwasher. It is Wi-Fi ready, but not Wi-Fi enabled. So to make it Wi-Fi enabled, I need to buy a separate device and plug it in. So I did this by myself. This video explains how I did it. I purchased the module from Lowe's. This is the item number and model number, but you can purchase from anywhere the same device. It's called Connect Plus, U Plus, or whatever. So first thing you need to do is remove these two screws. And this is the spot where the plug is located, where we have to plug in. Remember, this Ethernet notch is facing to you. This is how it looks like once you take out. Then go to the G Smart app. Actually, it's called Smart HQ app. And go to the add appliance, add device, and select the dishwasher and G appliance here. And it will ask you to connect it and follow the instructions basically. Eventually it will not be able to find, but then it will prompt you for a G module ID and password. You will find this both the information on this small device. There is a module ID and there is thing password. Add those and just hit the connect, and then it will ask eventually to connect to the your regular Wi-Fi. Go ahead and follow the instructions from the screen, and eventually it will take some time, and then it will finish up. Sometimes it gets longer time here. Now go under the dishwasher and sneak in the device as shown here. Your dishwasher will be available in Smart HQ app to handle. But that is it. Put the plate back, screw back, and you're done.